Hi, Richard here, owner of Learn, Implement, Share. Just want to tell you a quick story because you might want to adopt this. There was a time when I had for want of a word, a bottom year 9 class, and they struggled with mathematics. They were great kids, but maths was the last thing they wanted to do, and they weren't great at it. And so I was doing everything I could to try to get them to think about what they were doing and to have an understanding. And I had this brainwave, and it was really one of my better ideas ever. I taught within a K to 12 school, as we called it, so kindergarten through to year 12. And I knew the primary teachers, and so I said to one of the year 5 teachers, I said, look, I've got an idea. I want my year 9s to really understand this fractions thing. Fractions, decimals, percentages. Do you have some weak year 5s? Because my idea is I want to pair my year 9s up with some year 5s who struggle with mathematics. I will school my year 9s up on how to present these fraction concepts to the year 5s. And in so doing, my year 9s are going to understand the concepts involved. And so we were just doing basic kind of adding fractions, equivalent fractions, converting between fractions and decimals from a conceptual point of view. Anyway, the year 5 teacher loved the idea, and I pitched it to my year 9s. They were open but freaking out because this was serious, right? They had to pay attention here. And so I set them up, and we had a whole lot of training sessions where really I'm just teaching them maths, but we're doing it because they needed to be able to teach this to their students, and they took it really seriously. They were like nervous and so the year 5s would come up and be opposite each other or next to each other in a desk over here, and I didn't have a big class, so it was easy to do. And we had a number of these sessions, even from a perspective of just an attitude shift in those year 9s was fantastic because they really took this seriously. I just think it's a great idea. So if you're in a school where this is possible, you might want to think about that. For those students who you really want them to get a concept on something, on some basic maths, hook up with a teacher of a younger year level. You must make sure that there's no way that the learner is going to outperform the teacher, because that would be a bit embarrassing. So anyway, there's my idea. Having your struggling students understand the maths enough that they can teach it to someone else. Richard from Learn, Implement, Share. If you've got any comments on that, or if you've tried something similar, let us know in the comments. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.